Getting approved to drive for Lyft or Uber is actually sometimes the easy part, but after you get approved, your vehicle then has to be approved or go through an inspection. That can be a lot of extra steps and work for you because you have to make an appointment. It could cost a lot of money and it can take a while to get scheduled. But there is an app out there that can help you get this inspection today for usually a lot less, and you don't have to go anywhere. Let's find out what it is. Hi, I'm Tyler from the Rideshare Guy. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about Tinker DIY and how this app can help rideshare drivers and gig workers in two major ways. So the first is one of the biggest things that rideshare drivers run into is the inspection. So in most areas, inspections are required for your car, and it's not just a one-time inspection. Oftentimes you have to get inspected multiple times, or your car, the inspection runs out, you have to get a new one. And setting up a time, going to get it inspected can at times be a huge problem. A lot of times the mechanics that you take it to are going to then try to upsell you or even try to not pass you for an inspection unless you get X amount of work done there as well, even though they're making money. Not saying that they're necessarily wrong, but we're trying to find a way so that we can get out and make money, and the fastest way to do that is to not have issues. So that's where Tinker DIY can help you. So you can sign up for the account. Simply sign up like you would with any other app, put your car in, and then you have two options. We're going to talk about the first one is the inspection. Once you pay for an inspection, you immediately are able to connect to someone. You're able to then have them look at your car. You use your phone, walk around with it with a camera. So you're doing this in your own driveway. You don't have to go anywhere, and they're able to inspect, look at everything. If it doesn't pass inspection, you're able to try again after getting whatever it is that they say needs to be fixed done. And you can even do that work yourself rather than trying to go to a mechanic. Or if it's something more serious, obviously you can go to a mechanic. Great thing about Tinker DIY is that they also have another side of this. They help those who need assistance with doing any type of work on their own car. People like myself who don't really have the skills, knowledge, and experience on doing it, or are just hesitant to do it, and they're able to get some assistance. In fact, I was able to use Tinker DIY to try it out for something simple like a brake light, which I could have figured out on my own and watch a YouTube video, but having this as an option was great. And in fact, they found some things that I didn't even think about with the brake light, and we talked about something else with my tire, and they were able to give me a solution that was going to save me probably around $200 because I thought I was going to have to get new tires. And they explained that it is just a leaky valve. No new tire was going to be needed. So again, I saved probably $200 by not having to get two new tires. So that was a great thing for me that I absolutely loved. But watch as I talk with them and see exactly how Tinker DIY works when it comes to getting some assistance with mechanics. All right, so I have had a light coming up on my car for a couple months now. It was just the main brake light. I haven't changed it for a couple of reasons. Number one, I'm pretty lazy, and the other ones are still working, so it's legal, so I wasn't in a huge concern. But it keeps going off every single time. It annoys my wife more than it does me, but we're going to change it. Here's the thing, I probably could figure it out on my own. It's just a brake light, and I kind of looked at it a little bit. I think I just unscrew it and put it in there. But I'm going to get on my app. I'm going to use the Tinker DIY and just use my call with them. It's a long call. I'm going to probably ask a couple other questions too while I've got them, because I've got a mechanic. So I'm going to have them verify this. I'm going to record my screen while I do it, and we'll take it from there. All right, so I've already added my car to the app. So I just go, I love this. It has my garage. So I just pick which car I want, and then it has a how can I help you, rideshare car inspection, or help with a general question. So advice from experts, diagnose, warning lights, performance issues, understand what to expect before visiting a shop or DIY project with help. So I'm going to hit the next on this. It's a 45-minute call. No way I'm going to need that much, but we're going to use that to just kind of take a look at this. Again, Hyundai Elantra 2017. Please provide a brief description. Brake lights out. I also have an issue with some of my tires and air going, so I'm going to put that in there as well. And then you can select different solutions, different things going on, steering, suspension, wheels. I'm going to select wheels and tires. I'm going to see if I can select more than one. So brake and hub. Yeah, you can select, nope, you can only select one. So I'm going to stick with the brake, but also ask about the tires that keep going out. I think I probably just need new tires, but we'll take a look at that. So we go to next. Finding you an expert, average wait time about 1 minute. I like that it's got a little timer on here. Someone's ready, 10 seconds. I've got 5 minutes to get in there. Got a guy, he's been working on cars for 45 years. He's probably a little too overqualified for this, but let's go ahead and join the call. Allow the app to use my information. Hi, how are you?
Oh, pretty good.
Good. So I've got two things with my car. I've got a 2017 Hyundai Elantra. The first thing I think is pretty easy. I probably could figure it out on my own. So the back brake light is out, and I think I just need to replace it. I got the replacement bulbs, which I think are just this. It's the one that's in the trunk. Just the center one, yeah. I'll try the light first. I'm gonna flip my camera around and kind of show you the thing, because I want to make sure I'm doing it right, because I don't actually know that much about cars other than how to turn them on and drive. So I'm gonna flip my camera around and show you what I think it is to fix it, and then you tell me if I'm right. Okay. So I think it's this right here in the trunk, and I turn this, can you see it? I think if I turn that, the light will come out. And then, okay, yep, perfect. So lights out, I'm gonna put this down, change that real quick. So huge thanks to Tinker DIY for that. The mechanic, Dave, was absolutely amazing. We gave him 5 stars because we wanted to make sure that he gets the 5 stars, just like we want to get the 5 stars as well as we're driving. So there you have, Tinker DIY does 2 absolute amazing things. It can first help rideshare drivers to be able to get the inspection they need so that they can get on the road fast. Then if you need any assistance with your car, it can help you to be able to get out there and fix it yourself, saving you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in maintenance work or work on your car, because you're able to do it on your own by having a 20 or 45 minute call with someone versus taking it to a mechanic and having them do the work for you and charging you a lot more. Another great thing for Tinker DIY is if you already are a person that knows about mechanics and how to fix things and you're looking for another side gig, this could be a great way for you to do that. Sign up as a Tinker DIY and get some additional income while sitting on your couch. The guy that I spoke with, it looked like he was sitting on his couch and making money. So it was a great way for him to do that. He'd worked for 45 years. I'm assuming he's probably retired, or if he's not retired, he'd done it long enough that he needed a break, and sitting on the couch versus getting under a car to do some work sounds amazing to me. Might want to consider signing up if you are a mechanic or mechanically inclined or have any type of skills in that area. Look into that. But again, great service. We love it. Let us know in the comments. Have you used Tinker DIY? Are you going to do so? There's a link in the description below that'll help get you signed up and give you potential discount. So leave a comment about the app or any questions you have. We read every single one. Subscribe to the channel because there are new videos that come out every single day that help you make as much money as possible in as little time as possible. And until next time, stay safe out there, everyone.